Hi, I'm with Shannon Wilson from Newtown Party Rentals located in Bucks County, PA, in the Newtown section. And Shannon, you've been a customer of OneSEO.com for about a year now? Yes.
About a year and a half, but we've been doing the search engine optimization for about a year.
Okay, and you did PPC as well, pay-per-click?
Yep.
And that worked well, and then we moved into search engine optimization,
Yep.
lowered your PPC budget, and the majority of your leads that are coming off of the web or into the business right now, you would say are from your website?
Yes, they are.
Okay, so compared to traditional, say, full page, half page advertising that you were doing in the yellow pages 10 years ago, SEO's that on steroids, would you say?
Well, it's allowed us to increase our average of coverage for our sales, and we've gotten jobs that we wouldn't have gotten before. The yellow pages, it seemed to be that we were still very centered around Newtown, and now our business has expanded into Montgomery County, Philadelphia County, and into the Princeton area.
Oh, good. So you're also over in the New Jersey, and you're starting to see, as we're starting to rank you over into the Princeton area. And how do you think that One SEO performs? I mean, customer service is good. You did have us do your website.
Yep. We did the website. The website's phenomenal. It's a very interesting website. We get a lot of comments on it from our customers, and it's worked for us. In this economy, it's tough to do anything, and especially tough to spend any kind of money. But we've put this money into this, and it has allowed us to grow, even in the bad economy that we're experiencing right now.
So you definitely look at it as an investment more so than an expense.
Yes.
Okay, great. For all your party needs, please look at newtownpartyrentals.com and ask for Shannon. And thank you, Shannon. I appreciate it.